Hello everyone, welcome to my video, where I will reveal how you can get unlimited gems in Monster Legends using this amazing Monster Legends hack. I have already tried it, and I will show you how it works by opening the app. Look at how many gems I have, it's unbelievable. If you want to get unlimited gems in Monster Legends too, don't miss this video. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your Monster Legends game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode can interfere with the hack and prevent it from working properly. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. Now that you have done these two things, you are ready to use the Monster Legends hack. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Monster Legends and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says, "Injection completed." This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. Once you have done this step, you will have unlimited gems in Monster Legends. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. I would love to hear from you and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.